As we move into 2025, a surprising trend is emerging in California. The Golden State, known for its sunny beaches and booming economy, is seeing more and more Americans leaving. Is it the high cost of living, the crumbling infrastructure, or something else? Today, we'll dive into the city's losing residents and uncover the reasons behind this shift. By the end of this video, you might start questioning if California's golden years are behind it. Let's explore. Number 10. San Francisco. San Francisco, the iconic city by the bay, was once a bustling hub of opportunity, especially for tech professionals and creatives. It stood as a symbol of innovation, offering a thriving cultural and business environment with its stunning views and world-renowned landmarks. However, by 2025, the city is experiencing a dramatic shift. The tech boom that once made San Francisco the epicenter of Silicon Valley has now led to an affordability crisis. Housing prices have surged beyond reach, with the average rent for a one-bedroom apartment surpassing $2,500, making it impossible for many to stay. The city's affordability problem is compounded by the ongoing homelessness crisis, which has made certain neighborhoods unsafe and less inviting for newcomers. Additionally, rising crime rates and the lack of reliable public services have become constant points of concern for residents. Many former San Francisco residents point to the intense work culture and high cost of living as factors that drained their mental and emotional well-being. Despite San Francisco's fame as a tech and cultural hub, the harsh realities of living there are causing residents to look for better opportunities elsewhere. People are moving to more affordable cities in the U.S. with the same career prospects and a better quality of life. The question now is whether the city can reclaim its livability while maintaining its place in the global spotlight. With many tech workers opting for remote work or relocating to other states, San Francisco's future is uncertain. Number 9. Los Angeles. Los Angeles, the city of dreams, is a place where countless people from around the world have flocked for opportunities in entertainment, business, and innovation. Known for its beautiful weather, world-class attractions, and sprawling urban landscape, LA was once considered a paradise for those seeking fame, fortune, or a glamorous lifestyle. But as we move into 2025, LA is facing an alarming exodus. The primary reason? Affordability. Housing prices in Los Angeles have skyrocketed, with median home prices now exceeding $800,000, and the cost of rent has risen exponentially, making it difficult for middle-class families and young professionals to stay. Traffic congestion is another issue that continues to plague the city, where gridlock on the freeways has become a daily frustration. And despite efforts to improve public transportation, the lack of efficient and affordable alternatives means that driving is still the only option for most. Safety concerns also play a role in people's decision to leave. Rising crime rates in certain neighborhoods and incidents of violence have left many residents feeling unsafe. While the entertainment industry remains strong, it's becoming clear that the high cost of living and increasing crime are driving people away. Many former residents are relocating to more affordable areas with better job opportunities and a lower cost of living. LA's glitzy reputation may still attract tourists, but for many of its residents, it's becoming a city that's too expensive and too difficult to live in. Number 8. Oakland. Oakland, once an affordable alternative to its neighboring city of San Francisco, has seen a dramatic transformation over the past few years. Known for its rich cultural diversity, vibrant art scene, and strong sense of community, Oakland attracted many people who were drawn to its eclectic vibe and relatively affordable living costs. However, by 2025, Oakland is experiencing a severe housing crisis, with rent prices increasing by nearly 50% in just a few years. This rapid rise in costs has made it unaffordable for many longtime residents, especially those in lower-income neighborhoods. The situation has been exacerbated by gentrification, as new, wealthier residents move in, driving up property values and further pushing out longtime locals. While Oakland's cultural scene remains a strong draw, the lack of affordable housing and rising cost of living are driving people to leave in search of cheaper alternatives. Crime has also become an ongoing concern, with residents citing safety as a growing issue. Although efforts have been made to revitalize certain neighborhoods, many are still struggling with inadequate public services, and the gap between wealthy newcomers and existing residents continues to widen. Oakland's future hangs in the balance. Can it preserve its cultural identity and affordability, or will it continue to see its population dwindle as the cost of living rises? Number 7. San Diego. San Diego, with its year-round sunshine, beautiful beaches, and vibrant culture, has long been considered one of the best places to live in California. With a laid-back lifestyle and numerous outdoor activities, it's no surprise that many people flock to San Diego for its relaxed atmosphere. However, by 2025, San Diego is grappling with a serious housing affordability issue. While it was once considered a more affordable alternative to cities like Los Angeles and San Francisco, the cost of living in San Diego has increased drastically in recent years. The average rent for a one-bedroom apartment has now climbed to over $2,500, with home prices soaring past $750,000, pushing out many families and young professionals. Traffic congestion is another major concern, as the city's infrastructure has failed to keep up with its growing population. The lack of efficient public transportation options means that residents are increasingly relying on cars, which only exacerbates the issue. Furthermore, rising crime rates in certain neighborhoods have led many to feel unsafe in their own communities. As more people choose to leave in search of affordable housing and safer living conditions, San Diego faces a pivotal moment. Can it address the challenges of affordability and safety, or will it continue to lose residents to cheaper cities elsewhere in the U.S.? Number 6. Santa Monica. Santa Monica, once the epitome of Southern California, living with its picturesque beaches and bustling pier, is now facing a transformation that's causing many of its longtime residents to pack up and leave. While the city is still considered a prime location for tourists and newcomers alike, the cost of living has become increasingly prohibitive. With the median rent for a one-bedroom apartment exceeding $3,000, many residents are finding it harder and harder to stay. What was once an affordable coastal haven is now becoming a playground for the wealthy, pushing out artists, creatives, and working-class families. In addition to the sky-high rent prices, traffic congestion and overcrowding have made daily life increasingly frustrating. The area's famous beachfront lifestyle has also been affected by the overdevelopment of luxury condos and tourist-focused businesses. While Santa Monica remains a glamorous place to visit, the reality of living there is starting to feel less like a dream and more like a struggle. Safety concerns and the stress of urban living are driving residents to look for more peaceful, affordable places to call home. Will Santa Monica be able to retain its charm and affordability? Or is it doomed to become just another expensive beach town that only the wealthy can afford? Number 5. Long Beach. Long Beach, often seen as an affordable alternative to Los Angeles, has long been known for its vibrant art scene, diverse population, and access to the coast. However, as we move into 2025, Long Beach is struggling to maintain its reputation as a budget-friendly coastal city. With housing prices climbing and rent increases outpacing wage growth, many residents are finding it increasingly difficult to stay. The once affordable neighborhoods are now seeing rapid gentrification, which is driving up property values and pushing out long-time residents. The lack of affordable housing options and rising costs have led many people to seek refuge in other cities that offer the same coastal lifestyle at a lower price. In addition to the affordability crisis, Long Beach is facing issues with rising crime rates and an underfunded public infrastructure. Traffic congestion and the lack of reliable public transportation have made commuting a nightmare, adding to the frustration of those who live there. While Long Beach still offers a sense of community and vibrant culture, the mounting costs and challenges are causing many to leave in search of a better quality of life elsewhere. Will Long Beach be able to preserve its character and affordability, or will it become just another overpriced coastal city? Number 4. Sacramento. Sacramento, once considered an affordable alternative to the larger coastal cities of California, has seen significant changes in recent years. While the city was once a hidden gem for those seeking a more affordable lifestyle, it now finds itself caught in the same affordability crisis that has plagued other cities in the state. The median home price in Sacramento has risen by nearly 30% in the last 5 years, making it harder for families to afford a home in the city. With rent prices climbing and wages stagnating, many residents are finding themselves priced out of the market. In addition to rising housing costs, Sacramento faces challenges related to public services and job opportunities. While the city's economy has diversified, it still struggles with high unemployment rates and limited job prospects for younger workers. This lack of economic opportunity, combined with the increasing cost of living, has led many people to leave Sacramento in search of better prospects elsewhere. As the city grapples with these issues, the question remains: can Sacramento reinvent itself and provide affordable housing and better job opportunities for its residents, or will it continue to lose population to other cities? Number 3. Riverside. Riverside, located in the Inland Empire region of Southern California, has long been an attractive option for people seeking affordable living outside the major metropolitan areas. Once known for its budget-friendly housing and suburban lifestyle, Riverside is now grappling with many of the same issues that have affected larger cities in the state. As housing prices climb and rental rates skyrocket, many residents are finding it increasingly difficult to make ends meet. The city's affordability, once its defining characteristic, is now in jeopardy as gentrification takes hold and property values rise. Despite the city's proximity to both Los Angeles and San Diego, Riverside has been slow to diversify its economy, and job opportunities remain limited for many of its residents. The lack of robust public transportation options and growing traffic congestion further add to the city's challenges. As people seek out more affordable alternatives in neighboring states, Riverside's population continues to decline. Can the city find a way to adjust its infrastructure and economy to attract residents? Or will it continue to lose people in search of more affordable living elsewhere? Number 2. Fresno. Fresno, located in the heart of California's Central Valley, has traditionally been a more affordable city compared to the major coastal hubs. Known for its agricultural roots and central location, Fresno offered an alternative to the high costs of living in cities like Los Angeles and San Francisco. However, by 2025, even Fresno is beginning to see a shift. Housing prices, while still lower than coastal cities, have been steadily rising, making it harder for many residents to afford their homes. The city's reliance on agriculture and manufacturing, industries that have seen limited growth in recent years, has created economic stagnation for many of its residents. Job opportunities in emerging industries are scarce, and many young professionals are leaving in search of better prospects. Despite its affordability, Fresno struggles with poverty, limited healthcare access, and poor public services. As these issues compound, more and more people are choosing to relocate to cities with better economic opportunities and higher quality of life. Can Fresno reinvent itself and attract new industries, or will it continue to see its residents move away in search of a brighter future elsewhere? Number 1. Bakersfield. Bakersfield, located in California's Central Valley, was once considered a haven for families looking for affordable living. Known for its low cost of living and proximity to both the coast and major cities like Los Angeles, Bakersfield attracted many who wanted a more relaxed lifestyle without the steep prices of larger cities. However, by 2025, even Bakersfield is struggling. The city's reliance on oil and agriculture, industries that have faced economic difficulties in recent years, has left it vulnerable to market shifts. Rising rent prices, coupled with limited job opportunities in emerging sectors, are causing many people to leave in search of better prospects elsewhere. While Bakersfield remains affordable compared to other California cities, the lack of infrastructure, limited access to quality education, and growing crime rates have made it less appealing. As residents seek better opportunities in more prosperous areas, Bakersfield's future remains uncertain. Will it be able to attract new industries and improve its quality of life? Or will it continue to lose population to other cities?